guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. Today I am clearly in a different location, and that is because we are cleaning out my sister's closet. And I'm super excited. A little nervous, but super excited. I'm really excited because this is a two-part video. This is part one, and then I will be doing a part two next week, which is going to have how to organize your clothes. If you're new to my channel, you should definitely subscribe. That's a thumbs up. Well, you should also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and subscribe if you are new. And I think that's about it. So let's get into my closet cleaning out routine. Keep in mind, this is not a deep sort through. It's my routine for cleaning out my closet when it starts to accumulate too much stuff and becomes very unorganized. I usually complete this process every few months and definitely recommend getting in the habit of it. Now, since most closets contain things other than just clothing, I'm starting out by cleaning the shoes, bags, and other random things that my closet has somehow accumulated over the past few months. Dividing your closet into sections will help make the process a little bit more bearable, and for me, I like to create 4 piles to help stay organized. I'll create a keep pile, move pile, donate pile, and trash pile. Once everything is sorted, I'll start putting it back. Trash will be thrown away, items I'm donating will be tossed in a bag by the door so I don't forget about them, anything that doesn't belong in my room will be moved, and then I can start putting the things I'm keeping back in my closet. Moving on to, in my opinion, the scariest part, clothes. I'll start with an initial sort through, which means I look at every item of clothing for no more than 10 seconds and take out the pieces I'm not 100% I want to keep and move those somewhere in my room where I can do a deeper sort through. And now is the really hard part, figuring out what clothes you will keep and which ones have served their purpose for you but you no longer need. The 4 questions I will ask myself are, does it fit? If you were shopping, would you buy it again? Does it bring you joy? And can you think of an outfit you'd wear it with? If you answered no to any of these questions, that's a pretty good sign you should move on from that piece of clothing and give it to someone else who can enjoy it. Hey again, guys! Welcome to the end of this video. I hope that this looks a little bit better than it did before and that it's gonna make you want to go clean out your closet and organize it and get rid of all that stuff that you don't need. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to stick around for part 2. If it's already up, I'll have it linked right after this video. And if part 2 is not out yet, don't worry because I have a ton of other organization videos that I will have linked down below. I have a whole playlist that you can check out. So I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
It's such a beautiful job. Can't get enough.